how to get CapCut Pro for free. So if you want to get CapCut Pro for free, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Google or your browser. Now, let me tell you that you won't be able to get CapCut Pro for free, but you will have some trial period. Like for 7 days or for 1 month, you'll have the limited period. So you just need to simply open up your CapCut, make sure that you've downloaded your CapCut application. After that, go with the Me section, which will be on the bottom. And here, you'll have a 7 days free subscription, or you can just simply cancel that, and then here on the right side you will have get free trial. You'll have 7 days of standard CapCut Pro for free. You'll have materials, pro tools, AI effects, and also retouch options. You can go with get free trial, which will be on the right side, and then you can just simply go and add your payment method. After adding your payment method, you'll have 7 days for free, and then after that it will need the payment. So that's the only way to get CapCut Pro for free. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.